Let's make one of my favorite things in the entire world, which is what I call my summertime marinara, my summertime marinara sauce. And this is really what all Italians cook in terms of a quick cooking sauce all throughout summer. Because whether you have tomatoes growing in your garden or you're just in the middle of summer and like tomato season when the tomatoes are so juicy and sweet and incredible, this is really the only thing you want to do with them because it highlights their goodness while just providing the most delicious base for your pasta. And it's so easy. You just take good olive oil along with some garlic, let that sizzle for just a few minutes. You want the garlic to just release its flavor but not brown. Then you add your tomatoes along with a really good pinch of salt. The salt is going to draw out all the moisture and just get those tomatoes cooking beautifully. Add some basil and then just kind of cook them for like 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll stir them, periodically, obviously. And as they cook, you'll start to see them change. You'll start to see them burst. You'll start to see them cook down. They become saucy and almost jammy, and they're just incredible. You see all the liquid that comes out of them is almost sticky because it's so sweet. At this point, when your tomatoes have like 5 more minutes to go, you're going to add your pasta to the salted boiling water. I'm using pennette. And then your tomatoes should look a little something like this when you've got about 5 minutes left. And then you just take the back of your wooden spoon and you crush them, right? You're just helping them out. You take out the garlic. You don't need it at this point. It's done its job. You crush them so that it helps sort of bring that pulp down and create a really luscious sauce. And then take your pasta straight from the salted boiling water along with a ladleful of the water, and you're going to add that all together. And it's really important that you cook the pasta a couple minutes shy of al dente so that it can all cook together, and that way it really absorbs all that flavor. A really good handful of Parm is going to act like your edible glue, and then it's pretty much done. It is so sensational. It gets like really creamy and delicious, and it's so good. You will just love it. Look at that. You can see that the sauce has like thickened. It's spectacular. You see when you plate it, the sauce really holds on to the pasta. It is so good. You will love it. You guys know these videos are just to give you additional food inspo and just dinner time inspo. They don't replace my regular content, but it's just in addition to. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It's so good, really easy, cook from the heart, proper home food, and I know you will just love it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging with me. Hope you've enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.